Good morning children. I am Sujata, your EVS teacher. Today I am ready here with a new lesson. See children, we have completed 2 lessons already, yes or no? But today there is a different lesson. Means we want to know about our world. We want to know about our country. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to read and we are going to know about our country and about our world. Okay, so let's start. Before going to the lesson, I would like to tell the name of the topic, and the topic is major physical features of our country. Major physical features of our country. What is the physical features? First of all, I would like to tell what is the physical features. Physical features of our country means there are so many mountains, yes or no, land, range, yes or no, hills, canyon, and our valleys, desert, plateau. These are the physical features of our country. Okay, children. Let me tell about the physical features of our land. What is the physical features of the land? Yes, mountain, valley, plateau, canyon. Okay, so these are the hills. So these are the physical features of the land. To know more about our country. Okay, where it is located, how it is. Okay, in the world, what is the position of our country. So these are the main things. Okay, which we will read in the lesson. Okay, so which is your country? Yes, India is our country. Okay, and it is located in the southern part of Asia. In the southern part of Asia. So, what is Asia? Children, Asia is a continent. Asia is a continent. Just I will tell you that how many continents are there in the world? How many continents are there in the world? See here. There are 7 continents in the world. How many? 7 continents in the world. And they are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents, and Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the वर्ल्ड. ओके, एशिया सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट है, महादेश है. ओके, ये जो 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स है इसमें से एशिया सबसे लार्जेस्ट है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ इन एशिया, इन द साउथर्न पार्ट ऑफ एशिया, our country India is situated. Okay, India is situated in the southern part of India. Asia. Let's see the map of the world. Asia. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Okay, so see children, now come to our nation. Okay, and the southern part of our country is surrounded by ocean 3 sides. Now see children, the India map, the map of India. See here, see children, the map of our India. Okay, this is the map of our India, and the southern part of our country, the southern part of our country is surrounded by ocean on 3 sides. Means there are water, only water. See here, the blue portion are covered by water. Okay children, so it is called peninsula. Peninsula means what children? The area which covered by water, which surrounded by water. Okay, the area which is surrounded by water, it is called peninsula. Okay, so our country, the southern part of our country is surrounded by ocean on 3 sides. See, east, southern part and western part also. Okay, so our country comes at the 7th position in terms of area. See children, our country comes at the 7th position in terms of area. Okay, area. Okay, it covers an area of about. It covers an area. Okay, it covers an area of about 32,80,483 square kilometer. Okay, 32 lakh 80,483 square kilometer. And the length from north to south is 3,214 kilometer. What is the length from north to south? Yes, the length from north to south is 3,214 kilometers. Okay, and what is the breadth? Yes, the breadth from east to west. Okay, it is 2,933 kilometers. What is the length? 3,214 kilometer, and the breadth from east to west is 2,933 kilometers. Okay, children. So can you guess it? Yes. Can you understand? The length of the coastline. Coastline means it is covered by water. Yes or no? The southern part of our country, of three side, it is surrounded by water. So it is called the peninsula. Yes or no? So it is called the peninsula. And the coastline means water का जो area है. Okay. The length of the coastline is 6,100 kilometers. So you have to remember this. What is the length of our India from north to south, and what is the breadth from east to west in India, and what is the length of the coastline? It is 6,100 kilometers. And the land frontier, land जितना भी है वो कितना है? 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers. So India has how many states, children? Yes, India has 29 states and 7 union territories. As we all know that India has 29 states and 7 union territories. So children, your homework, today's homework is you have to write the 29 states. First you have to write the major physical features of our country, the topic name. Okay, the topic name, major physical features of our country, and first you write in first page index, you leave it. In second page you have to write the state, the name of the 29 states and the 7 union territories. So in second page you have to write the 29 state name. Okay, the name of the 29 states, and in third page you have to write the after 29 states. Okay, so you have to write the names of 7 union territories. Okay, children. Now let's come to point. In the north, the state of Jammu and Kashmir is situated. What is the state situated in the north side of India? Yes, the state of Jammu and Kashmir is situated, okay, at the north. Now moving towards the south, the country becomes wider. See children, from here you see, ऐसे जैसे तुम नीचे आते जाओगे, नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ, नीचे तरफ जैसे आते जाओगे, सो यू सी द कंट्री बिकम्स वाइडर. हमारा देश ना वाइड होते गया है ना, वो फैलते गया है, चौड़ा होते गया है. ओके, बिकॉज द ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट इज 2,933 किलोमीटर्स. ओके, सो इट इज बिकम वाइडर. ओके, ये ऐसे फैलते गया है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट it is widest in the middle, and down towards south it becomes narrower. Okay, और हम जब आ जाएंगे तो it becomes narrower. Okay, so in the southernmost part Kanyakumari is situated. Where is the Kanyakumari situated, children? Here in the southern part, okay, of India, Kanyakumari is situated. Okay, so here the northern part of India, state Jammu and Kashmir, and here it is Kanyakumari. Okay, so Arabian Sea. So there are so many oceans. Okay, see here Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Okay, Indian Ocean. It is covered, southern part of India. It is covered by Indian Ocean. Okay, and now here Bay of Bengal. Okay, here this side Arabian Sea. Okay, we have read where is our country situated. Okay, and Asia is the largest continent in the world, and our country is located in the southern part of Asia. Okay, and the southern part of our country is surrounded by ocean. Okay, so it is called peninsula. Okay, and our country comes at the 7th position in terms of area, हमारा एरिया जितना फैला हुआ है लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ में, so according to that our country become occupies second position. Okay, and it covers an area of about 32,80,483 square kilometer. Okay children, and more one thing, population wise it occupies second position. Our country comes at the 7th position in terms of area, 7th position. Okay, and it occupies the second position population wise. So can you tell me children, population wise which country occupies the first position in the world? Yes, China. Yes, India. And third position, United States. Okay, United States. Next, Indonesia, Pakistan, Brazil, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, Mexico. So these are so many countries, they occupies the different positions. But our India, population wise, occupies the second position in the world. Okay children, so read briefly. Okay, this is the main important lesson of for us. Okay, so we have to know about our country, what is the length, what is the breadth, okay, and how many and how much area it is covered by water and how much area it is covered by land. Okay, so India has 29 states and territories, so I have to write the 29 states name and as well as the 7 territories also, union territories. Okay, so this is your homework. In next class we will read about the natural region. Okay, means the area of land which has similar features is called natural region. So on the basis of surface, India is divided into the 5 natural region. Okay, so they are the Himalaya and the northern place, okay, and the Indian desert, the plateau and the coastal plains. Okay, and next we will read about the island also. Okay children, so this is the introduction part. We have to know the major physical features of our country, what is the position population wise, okay, of our country, and what is the position in terms of area of our country. Okay, and what are the 29 states and the 7 union territories, and we have to know about the 7 continents also. Okay children, in next class we will discuss more about the lesson. Thank you.